So I went over to the condo and this was happening across the street. They're tearing down this nice, quaint two-story bungalows that used to be there. And they're going to tear down the one that's next to it. And of course, they're going to build zero lot, three-story, you know, multi-million dollar townhouses to sell to the 0.001%. And it's getting to the point where they're just buying and land banking all of this property that's close to the ocean. And Delray Beach, of course, is one of the most desirable places to live. It's the village by the sea, and we have hundreds of restaurants, gourmet restaurants, all kinds of different activities. And it's just a great place to own a piece of property. I bought mine right across the street 20 years ago for a song. Today the thing's worth almost 10 times what I paid for it. And they're just going to keep on tearing everything down and just building it up until there's no more inexpensive places for people to live. And all of the workers will have to live up in Lake Worth. It's almost like Manhattan. The regular workers, the waiters, the waitresses, the blue collar guys, they can't live in the city. And it's almost the same thing here now. Where the bottom 99% can't afford anything in the affluent areas like Delray, and only the very top echelon of society will be able to buy it, which is a shame. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos.